due to the 33 miles per hour, 0.60. I'm speaking on the importance of keeping water field burning and where in countless studies over the years, over and over again, they prove that green spaces are critical to the mental and physical health of environmental human spaces. It reduces stress and influences the environment and drug use. Green spaces reduce environmental risk of living in densely population areas with concrete, traffic, noise. Plants absorb, as we know, plants absorb toxins, they reduce ozone, and they reduce oxygen. They also are, in our latest unprecedented heat wave, it did a test and found that the seaside province, where during rain, as you know, was 13 degrees cooler than South Providence, which is true. So, for all kinds of reasons, in an inner city neighborhood, which is so densely populated with children and people who have necessarily have to keep as many green spaces as possible. The average rate of children in space is sky high and life expectancy is lower. Breathing polluted air, we're even young, but as Colonel said, teens are experiencing all kinds of heart problems. The 2019 healers in that neighborhood is in itself horrendous. Blacktopping a green space over that could even potentially help with that is disastrous. It's actually extremely detrimental to the neighborhood and to the residents here. The green space needs to stay where it is. It can't be. And as a second point, the climate crisis is so bad, and we've experienced so many days of heat and that recent downpour of water which didn't touch the ground. This is simply poured off it.
Excuse me, Lisa, excuse me, Lisa, the 2 minutes. Is she here?
And this is an
Michelle,
disaster not only
Thank you, Lisa. Thank you,
but the
Lisa.
rest of the